Hello, my name is Del Peterson, and along with my colleagues, we recently completed an ITS technology and usability feasibility study. We conduct research at the Small Urban Rural Transit Center Mobility, SURCOM, at North Dakota State University. This project was funded by the United States Department of Transportation through the University Transportation Centers program. We are part of the University Transportation Center led by Montana State University, known as the Small Urban Rural and Tribal Center on Mobility, SURCOM. The major objectives of this study were to first, identify what technologies are currently used by small urban rural transit agencies. Second, investigate the influence of community, agency, and manager attributes on technology adoption. And finally, to evaluate the changes in ITS adoption among small urban rural transit agencies today as compared to 10 years ago. We found that many transit agencies are being held back from full implementation of their ITS applications. This is often because of lack of coordination and unwillingness to change on the part of the agency. Some agencies also feel the ITS does very little to increase the efficiency of their operations. Identifying transit systems that implemented ITS technologies and investigate their ability to coordinate different ITS applications will provide a better understanding of the issues and supply a benchmark for other agencies to work towards. We also developed an online survey. This instrument was used to distribute to transit agency directors. Surveys contains questions regarding technology use by agencies providing transit services in rural and small urban areas. The major goal of the survey was to collect data pertaining to technology adoption at the agency level. A total of 144 usable surveys were received. We found that technology use was found to have increased significantly during the past 10 years among transit agencies. We conducted a study in 2010 that calculated the number of agencies using specific technologies. The most prominent increases based on these studies results occurred in, first of all, AVL, automatic vehicle location, which increased from 6% usage in 2010 to over half, 51% today. This was followed by MDTs, mobile data terminals, which increased from 9% 10 years ago to 45% today, as well as smartphone usage, which increased significantly from 8% to 42% today. Traveler information system also increased from 4 to 34%, and GIS, geographic information systems, increased from 25% to 49%. We also considered different factors affecting technology adoption. Differences in transit agent characteristics among transit managers were essential in determining technology adoption. The study developed a model to analyze the relationship between transit agency managers and characteristics and technology. We used this to update and the previous work on SURCOM with new data and an expanded number of technologies. Among manager characteristics, education appeared to have some relationship with adoption. Transit managers who had a greater amount of education were found to work for agencies that were more likely to use technologies such as GIS, AVL, and electronic fare payment. Finally, these results can be used to identify which agencies could potentially benefit from certain technology adoptions and could be studied to determine potential benefits from technology use. Thank you for your time, and this report can be seen in its entirety on our website at ugpti.org/SURCOM. Thank you very much and have a nice day.